Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this like TNT grenade bomb hack on Dress to Impress. So I just did like a quick Tom look. I know it doesn't look like Tom from Tom and Jerry, but I don't know, it suits the theme, I guess. Tom's always trying to get Jerry unalived. Anyways, get the apple. I know this apple is overused, but we're going to color it black. And I think I'm going to make it foil as well. Then I'm going to make it rotten to the core. Then grab the teddy bear. Again, another overused thing for these hacks. So I'm going to just get that, and I'm going to color it all black. I think I'm going to also add that foil material too. And toggle it to the second toggle to look like this. Then we're going to get the sparklers. I actually don't know where it is. Hold on. Oh, it's here. And then we're going to select extended, and voila, that is it. It's that simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.